Hello everyone, this is Tawhid Shakil. In this video, I wish to bring to your attention towards the list of fake universities 2020 declared by UGC in notification issued on 7th October. In this fast-paced world, the students from different states are rushing for admissions to various universities for higher studies. In the interest of students, UGC released a list of 24 fake universities which are functioning in India. Students and public at large are informed that these universities have been declared as fake and are functioning in contravention of the UGC Act and are not entitled to confer any degrees. So you are all advised not to take admission in such fake universities. If we talk about University Grants Commission, UGC is considered as the ultimate authority of university education in India and is a constitutional body that came into being in 1956. The UGC regularly conducts checks to ensure that the quality of education in all its approved universities is as per standards. The UGC Act 1956 provides that a degree can be awarded only by a university established under a central, state, provincial act or an institution especially empowered by an act of parliament to confer the degree. If we talk about these fake universities, most of these universities are based in 9 states in Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal, Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra, Pondicherry and Andhra Pradesh. All in all, Uttar Pradesh is found with most 8 number of such universities. Delhi is second with 7 such institutions. Here is the state-wise list of fake universities identified by UGC. First in Delhi. Delhi has 7 fake universities. Number 1, Commercial University Limited, Daryaganj, Delhi. Number 2, United Nations University, Delhi. Number 3, Vocational University. Number 4, ADR Centric Juridical University, New Delhi. Number 5, Indian Institution of Science and Engineering. Number 6, Vishwakarma Open University for Self-Employment. Number 7, Adhyatmik Vishwavidyalaya Spiritual University, Rohini, Delhi. Second state is Uttar Pradesh. UP has 8 fake universities. Number 8, Varanasi Sanskrit Vishwavidyalaya, Varanasi, UP. Number 9, Mahila Gram Vidyapit Vishwavidyalaya, Women's University, Allahabad, UP. Number 10, Gandhi Hindu Vidyapit, Prayag, Allahabad. Number 11, National University of Electrocomplex Homeopathy, Kanpur. Number 12, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose University. Number 13, Uttar Pradesh Vishwavidyalaya, Mathura, UP. Number 14, Maharana Pratap Shiksha Niketan Vishwavidyalaya, Pratapgarh, UP. Number 15, Indraprastha Shiksha Parishad Institutional Area, Koda, Noida Phase 2, UP. Third state is Karnataka and it has only 1 fake university. Bata Ganvi Sarkar World Open University Education Society, Gokak, Belgium. Fourth state is Kerala and it has also 1 fake university. St. John's University, Kishanathan, Kerala. Fifth state is Maharashtra and it has 1 fake university. Raja Arabic University, Nagpur. Sixth state, West Bengal. It has 2 fake universities. Indian Institute of Alternative Medicine. Number 20, Institute of Alternative Medicine and Research, Kolkata. Number 7th is the state of Odisha and it has 2 fake universities. Navabharat Shiksha Parishad, Rourkela. Number 22, North Orissa University of Agriculture and Technology University, Odisha. 8th state is Pondicherry and it has 1 fake institution. Sri Bodhi Academy of Higher Education. Number 9th is the state of Andhra Pradesh and it has 1 fake university, that is Christ New Testament Deemed University. At last, please note that Bharatiya Shiksha Parishad, Lucknow, UP, the matter of this university is sub judice before the district judge, Lucknow. So guys, thank you for watching this video and this is Tawhid Shakil signing off.